A school is a very good tool for changing lives. People have self-selected themselves to come here and change themselves for the better, to get a career or to start the adventure and to broaden their horizons. So we use aviation as that tool to help people change their lives.
Hello, my name is Graylin Stitt. I'm the dispatch manager here at Wayman Aviation Academy at North Perry Airport, KHWO. My experience with MzeroA, first of all, let's just get this right out the way. It's a great product. It's a great product. We've been using it for a number of years. I use Jason's tagline when I'm talking to brand new students and whatnot, because a good pilot is always learning. What we offer with MzeroA, it not only does it supplement that, but it helps them when they're at home and they're studying. It helps them become more prepared the next day when they arrive for class. So nothing but positive input, nothing but positive things to say here, and it's a great team to work with.
We are primarily a full-time professional pilot school. So we take students from their first flight in an accelerated one-year program and take them to being professional pilots, and we hand them off to the airlines. We've got captains in just about every airline around the world. Very proud of all of our alumni.